While tinnitus often originates in the inner ear, the brain controls our emotional responses and physical reactions to it. This feedback is fueled by multiple systems in the brain, which is why tinnitus is often perceived louder when we are under stress or not sleeping well. Are you getting enough sleep? If not, what is preventing you from feeling restored and refreshed the next day? Improving your sleep habits may help you feel less affected by your tinnitus. How is your overall diet? Minor changes can make a major difference if you have food sensitivities or an unhealthy diet. Some patients benefit from working with a nutritionist to help them answer these types of questions. Do you exercise regularly? We know that daily exercise is good for our bodies and our brains. Since no two brains are the same, there is no one-size-fits-all or quick fix approach to finding tinnitus relief. Anyone with tinnitus should start by looking at how they could improve their self-care and ideally find a partner to help guide them through this process. For more information about tinnitus, please visit our website at soundrelief.com. Thank you.